Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are making some delicious vanilla custard cake. It is delicious, spongy and easy to make. So for that we are going to take 1/4 cup custard powder, and in a bowl take 1 cup milk. To it add 4 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter or butter, and then mix it well. Add 1 cup custard sugar or refined powdered sugar. Then add 1/4 cup custard powder, vanilla flavored. Mix well. There should be no lumps. And then add 3/4 cup maida, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Again, mix it properly and there should be no lumps. Use a hand blender to remove all the lumps. And then add 2 tablespoons lemon juice and again stir it properly. Then take a cake mold and grease it and lie it with a parchment paper or butter paper and pour the batter in. And preheat the oven at 180 °C and then bake it for 25 minutes. And then when it cools down, apply whipped cream on top. And your delicious vanilla custard cake is ready. So guys, if you like this recipe, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram.